Welcome to Doug's RV14 build. In this episode, I'll be bolting and riveting the ribs onto the wing main spar. With all the preparation work of the wing ribs, deburring, dimpling, fluting complete, it's now time to start to install the ribs onto the spar in the right orientation and install bolts and nuts at the top and bottom of each rib, attaching the ribs to the main spar. All the nylon lock nuts installed, it's now time to torque all the nuts down to the specified torque value to ensure that we don't have any bolts come loose. The final step is to install the rivets, riveting each rib to the main spar. As can be seen, I'm using my impact gun with a tungsten plucking bar to squeeze the rivets down to the appropriate size. One by one, squeezing each rivet down to the appropriate size and checking to make sure they're squeezed to the right size until all the ribs are riveted to the main spar.